You can use the directory to add, edit, cancel, search, or call contacts from the local directory. There are 3 ways to add contacts to the local directory: manually, from call history, or from a remote phone book. If you wish to use the phone to add contacts manually, press the OK key to enter the main menu. Select Directory, Options, and New Contact. Then, input the contact information in the corresponding fields. Press the Save Soft key to accept the change, and you will see the newly added contact in the contact list. To search for a contact, press the OK key to enter the main menu, select Directory, enter a few continuous characters of the desired contact name or number using the keypad. The contact whose name or number matches the search will appear on the LCD screen after you pause entering data or when the Search Soft key is pressed. You can dial a contact from the result list. To call a contact, select the desired contact and press the off-hook key to begin dialing. To edit or cancel a contact, select the desired contact. After selecting, press Options and select Edit to edit or choose Delete to cancel the contact.